Before we start, thanks for watching. We are doing a giveaway of 700 XRP. The only thing you need to do is subscribe, like this video and comment Vechain to the moon. Vechain IVT is a flexible undertaking grade L1 savvy contract stage. Vechain started in 2015 as a private consortium chain, working with a large group of ventures to investigate utilizations of blockchain. Vechain would start their progress to public blockchain in 2017 with the ERC20 token VEN, prior to sending off their very own mainnet in 2018 utilizing the ticker VET. Vechain intends to utilize disseminated administration and Web of Things (IoT) advances to make a biological system which addresses significant information obstacles for numerous worldwide businesses, from clinical to energy, food and refreshment to maintainability and SDG objectives. By utilizing the force of trustless information, Vechain is building the advanced spine that will support the fourth modern upset, which requests ongoing and trustless information dividing among numerous members. The stage utilizes two tokens, VET and VTHO, to oversee and make esteem in light of its Vechain Thor public blockchain. VET creates VTHO and goes about as the store of endlessly esteem move medium. VTHO is utilized to pay for gas costs, isolating the need to consume VET while composing information. This has the extra advantage of guaranteeing expenses of utilizing the organization can be kept stable by tweaking specific factors, for example, how much VTHO expected to support an exchange, or by expanding the VTHO geniation rate. Such activities initially require all partner local area votes. Vechain has had the option to show enormously helped proficiency, discernibility and straightforwardness across information trails, supply chains and inside original sorts of biological systems, for example, those in San Marino focusing on UN SDGs, among others. Who are the pioneers behind Vechain, VET? Vechain is the result of maker and prime supporter Bright Liu, an IT leader who was previously CIO of Louis Vuitton China. Liu has since turned into a notable name inside the digital money industry. He has caused to notice the capacity of blockchain innovation to address straightforwardness specifically, contending that it can make sans trust undertaking/business structures that don't experience the ill effects of data debasement, because of close working coordinated efforts with key examining/accreditation experts, for example, PricewaterhouseCoopers and DNV who check information quality and confirm modern cycles. Individual prime supporter Jay Zhang, who coordinates Vechain's worldwide corporate design administration and monetary administration, recently worked for both Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in the money and chance administration circle. Having initially started life in 2015, Vechain is one of the most seasoned, committed shrewd agreement stages available, with reflected notoriety among big business clients. What makes Vechain, VT, one of a kind? Vechain exists to upset conventional plans of action and is most popular for its work in store network, an industry that has changed minimal throughout the long term. Its work in giving a decentralized trust layer to multi-party environments has proactively seen major successes, with high-profile customers and government bodies. Utilizing straightforward innovation with no single mark of shortcoming or control takes into account more prominent security, effectiveness and simplicity of following for a wide range of information, while diminishing costs through trustless mechanization by means of shrewd agreements. Carbon, production network, worldwide planned operations, boosted biological systems, CAR international IDs and all the more all enormously benefit from the digitization of trust and collaboration it empowers. Vechain's foundation appropriately has exceptionally wide allure for various clients of clients and enterprises. Vechain's true writing takes note of that its exceptional suggestion lies in its double symbolic arrangement close by extraordinary conventions, for example, expense designation, and its one-stop toolchain stage that implies crypto-watchful organizations can pay in fiat for Vechain's blockchain as administration, while shrewd agreements handle gas installment costs, guaranteeing frictionless utilization.